Hello dear, we are testing your 50 liters vacuum reactor. Here is the Siemens PLC touchscreen system. We have 3 languages: Chinese, English, and the Russian language. This is the light and the main power switch. Here we have some accessories on the cover. This is the air pressure gauge. It can show the real-time air pressure inside of the tank. This is the vacuum valve. When you start the vacuum function, you need to open this valve. And here connect with your air compressor. If your product is high viscosity, you can use this air to help you to discharge. This is the view window. When the tank is sealed, you can monitor the product through here. This is a material inlet. We have a filter inside of here. This is a powder hopper. When the tank is sealed, you can add powder through here or some other ingredients through here. No need to lift up this cover. This is the air filter. After you use the vacuum function, you need to release the vacuum. You can open this valve. We also have a filter inside, so it can help you to avoid impurities go inside of the tank. Here is the CIP cleaning bowl. You can connect here with your pure water or some water with chemicals to use the CIP cleaning bowl to wash the tank. This is the LED light. Here, this is the discharge valve. You can use it to discharge. Also can use this manual discharge. It can help you to title the tank down over 90 degrees. This is the electric heater. Before you use the electric heating function, you need to connect here with the water and make sure the inner jacket is full of water. Then turn on the heating function. It's very important, otherwise the electric heater will very easy to broken down. And this is the ABB homogenized motor. This is the temperature sensor. We will also give you a piece of the electric heater for your backup use as spare parts. This is the control box. Siemens PLC. And here is the vacuum pump. This need to connect with your water. This is a water outlet. This is water inlet. Here, if you need the air pressure to help you discharge, you can connect your compressed air here. As our homogenizer is air cooling system, so you need to make sure the machine has been connected with the water. We also have protection process that if the water is not inlated, the homogenizer cannot work to protect your homogenizer sealing ring. Now I will show you each functions. Here we will display you the real-time mixing speed and the mixing working time, the same as the homogenizer working speed and the homogenizer working time. Here to display you the real-time temperature inside of the tank. This is the negative air pressure, the air pressure inside of the tank. Here we have some buttons to control different functions: the vacuum, mixing, homogenizer, hydraulic up, hydraulic down, the electric heating function. Here we have some parameters. You can set the mixing speed in advance and the working time in advance too. Here it means the mixing speed is 30 RPM, and when the mixing working as 1000 seconds, the mixing function will stop working automatically, the same as a homogenizer. And here to set the main tank heating function, heating temperature. For example, here we set 50 degrees. It means when the real-time temperature inside of the tank meets 50 degrees, the heating function will stop working automatically. Here we have the press upper and the press lower. It means the negative working negative vacuum pressure. It means when the negative air pressure meets negative 50 kPa, the vacuum function will start working automatically. When it's lower than 80 kPa, the vacuum function will stop working automatically. All these parameters can be set in advance and can be adjusted according to your formula requirements. And here we can set some formula. Here to display you the main port, the port temperature and the mixing speed and the homogenizer speed. Here is some alarm. Now I will show you the hydraulic up functions. First, push this hydraulic up. If the tank is under vacuum function, the cover cannot be lifted up to protect your production. This is a warning light. When it's at the highest position, the hydraulic up will stop working automatically. Now I will show you the mixing function. The mixing is double-way system. The outer pedal goes through the clockwise and the inner pedal goes through the anti-clockwise. And we also have a protection that when the tank is hydraulic up, to protect your workers, the mixing function cannot turn on during this case. But now we are testing the machine. So in order to show the mixing function more clear, we remove this protection for now. But during your production, you cannot turn on the mixing function when this cover lifted up. Now I will show you the mixing function. Here to display you the real-time mixing speed and the working time here, 80 seconds. You can also adjust the mixing speed. Here, parameter. For example, I set it 50 RPM. You can see the speed is faster. Here you can see the speed. Now turn it off. Now I will show you the homogenizer function. Here we have a high-speed tooth shape homogenizer head on the bottom of the tank. Push there. Homogenizer. You can also see the speed and the working time here. You can also set it here. For example, 1000 RPM. Now, for example, I set here 60 seconds. Now it's 50 seconds. Now it's 60 seconds, so it stopped working automatically. Now I will show you the heating function. As we choose electric heating for this tank, please make sure that the inner jacket is full of water in advance and then turn on the heating function to protect this electric heater. Just like us here, we connect with the water and inlet water inside. Then turn on the heating function. We also set a reminder here. Is the jacket do you have water inside of the tank? Electric heating. Here you can see the temperature will change here. And you can set here the heating temperature you want here. And when the temperature meets 50 degrees, the heating function will stop working. You can see the temperature has been heated. Now I will show you the titling function. We choose manual titling for this tank. Just screw it. It's very easy to operate. It can be titled down over 90 degrees to help you easier discharge. Now hydraulic down. Now I will show you the vacuum function. Before you turn on vacuum, please make sure all the valves on the cover has been turned off so that the tank has been sealed. Then turn on this vacuum valve. It connects to the vacuum pump and push the vacuum button. The real-time air temperature inside of the tank will display here, and also you can see here. Here we set the air pressure upper and lower here. So when it's lower as the 80 kPa, the vacuum function will stop working automatically. You can also adjust the parameter yourself. Here, it stops working automatically. To keep the vacuum condition, close this valve. If you want to turn off the vacuum, here, push the button. And now the tank has been sealed. If you want to release the vacuum, turn on this air filter valve. We have a filter inside to avoid the impurities go inside of the tank. Release it. You can see the air pressure go to normal. Then the tank cover can be hydraulic up.